Welcome friends in our channel Knowledge Book. Today's subject is CTQ and CTP. CTQ means critical to quality and CTP means critical to process. Now we will understand what is CTQ and CTP. First, to identify what is the most important for the customer means what is required the customer to be in a quality means CTQ critical to quality. Then we define the controls to monitor the products. And second, to identify the processes which can impact the processes. For this, we define the control to monitor the processes. Regularly monitoring of effectiveness of CTQ and CTP will give us results for the good product. Now the CTQ and CTP, how to identify the CTQ and CTP? First, need to determine the customer's need. Are you fulfilling all the customer's need or customer's product services or what customer is required? Secondly, determine the drivers. What elements or characteristics will your customer likes when judging your quality or your products or services? Create the requirement. What process or product requirements are needed to meet the customer's requirement? Remind them. CTQ is a voice of control and CTP is a voice of process. Now, these CTQ and CTP are identified as a SC and CC characteristics, significant and critical characteristics. And these for the significant and critical characteristics, the key characteristics related to the products are the fitment, function, visual dimension, and performance and testing. And so for the source of input to identify the critical to quality and critical to process, the internal inputs are safety, quality reliability, manufacturing, marketing inputs, and management strategies. The external inputs for the critical to quality and critical to process are customer and end users requirements, regulatory and legal requirements, dealers requirements, and supplier requirements are the external inputs for to identify the critical to quality and critical to process. Now, to control the critical to process, critical to quality, what organization does? Organization strengthen their process and some special process and special controls impart on the processes. Likewise, POCA means foolproofing. Foolproofing we can do as a mechanical foolproofing or sensor type foolproofing. Second is interlocks. Interlocks should be one process independent on second process or sensors that are depending on the machine operations. Likewise, we can say if the sensor or fixtures will be clamped, then only the machine will start. This is the interlock. Third is a statistical process control on regular intervals. Statistical process control defines that our process is within the controls and the audit of all the processes on the regular interval so that we can control the critical to quality and critical to process. If you like this video, then please do like and subscribe the video. Thank you.